everyone, I am Aishwarya, a 22-year-old BTech CSE graduate. I am a native of Madurai and a Saurashtrian, a community which in itself has a very rich cultural heritage and history. I have lived a pretty nomadic life throughout my childhood because of my dad's transferable job. Um, from the smallest towns in Tamil Nadu to the metropolitan cities in India like Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and also I've lived a couple of years in Japan as a child. Painting and sketching, and also spending a lot of time with myself in my very aesthetic room when I'm free. Professionally, I'm someone who's very keen about numbers, data, strategy, and most importantly, people, which is why I am very keen on pursuing a career in HR and I want to join an MBA in HR really soon. Why I am applying for ISEC in India MC? Well, it kind of goes back to 2021. When I just joined college, I was very introverted and shy, and I was trying to find my place in college, and that's when I stumbled upon ISEC. It's been quite a transformational journey from then. From a really timid girl to someone who's developed into a very strong and resilient leader. That's what ISEC has been for me, right? And who is very quiet, wouldn't speak up in team meetings, to someone who can literally shake the ISEC in India plenary by doing the loudest roll call. That is another thing that I really admire about myself through my ISEC journey. Seeing yourself grow and the people around you grow is the best feeling ever. This was something that was told to me by my predecessor Harsh Webber, and it's stuck through me since then. Right now, ISEC, I have been impacted a lot by ISEC, and I've been able to do that to a lot more people around India. MC being the topmost leadership body of ISEC in India right now gives me the chance to be able to facilitate this kind of impact for thousands of young leaders that are coming in, and hence I will be able to achieve my vision of metamorphosizing every young leader and setting off the butterfly effect of infinite impact. How I see ISEC in India go the dream direction, where we turn infinite possibilities into indefinite realities. Well, the ripple effect starts from the very core of our organization, our membership, right? And hence, we need to make sure that we engage, develop, and nurture every member for them to perform and contribute to what we aim as ISEC in India, which is to be globally number one. Cut. That we need to have the smartest and strongest minds for ISEC in India who will enable the same. For me, people management is not just a portfolio, but rather a responsibility where we develop each and every young individual who enters this organization and develop them into value-driven leaders. That leader of ours is able to set off the butterfly effect of infinite impact.